Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring Minecraft Java is updated and your worlds are backed up. That prevents data loss if mappings change. Next, install Steam or DS4 Windows so Windows exposes the controller as X input. Plug the Xbox controller via USB or pair it over Bluetooth in Windows. Once connected, make sure Windows shows a gamepad. If using Steam, enable Big Picture controller support. These steps let Minecraft receive controller input through a translator rather than needing native support. Once the helper app is running, create or edit a profile and map essential actions. Left stick equals move, right stick equals look, A equals jump, triggers for attack/use, bumpers for hotbar. Make sure inventory and chat keys are assigned so you can manage items. Adjust stick dead zone and sensitivity to avoid drift and toggle vibration if it distracts you. Then launch Minecraft and enter a creative world to test each binding. Refine timing and sensitivity until input feels smooth and predictable. To finish, tweak Minecraft settings. Lower mouse smoothing or match FOV so controller camera feels natural. Save the controller profile in Steam or DS4 Windows and export a backup file for reuse. Once satisfied, practice building and combat to internalize button locations. If controls stop responding, repair the controller, restart Steam/DS4 Windows, and relaunch Minecraft. Check drivers and Windows gamepad detection. That single troubleshooting tip, restart the mapping layer, resolves most invisible input issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.